Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top software to extract text from image. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Google Photos. Google Photos is a cloud-based app that stores, organizes, and backs up your photos and videos. It offers easy search, fun creations like collages, and OCR feature to find and copy text from images. Compressed photos are stored for free, while original quality uploads use your Google account. Features of Google Photos: cloud storage, easy search, optical character recognition, memories and creations, shared albums, cross-device syncing. Number 2. Text Fairy. Text Fairy is a mobile app that allows you to scan and convert images into editable text using optical character. You can take pictures of printed text, and the app will extract and recognize it, making it easy to copy, edit, and save. It's particularly useful for digitizing documents, receipts, or notes, and it supports multiple languages for accurate recognition. Features of Text Fairy: optical character recognition, multiple language support, text editing, image to PDF conversion, easy sharing, image correction. Number 3. CamScanner. CamScanner is a mobile app that lets you scan documents, receipts, notes and photos using your smartphone's camera. It automatically enhances the scanned image for clearer text and more professional-looking results. With the app, you can easily store, organize, and share scanned files in various formats like PDF or JPEG. It also offers cloud storage options to save your scans online for easy access anywhere. Features of CamScanner: document scanning, automatic image enhancement, multi-format export, optical character recognition, cloud storage integration, password protection, document sharing, batch scanning. Number 4. WPS Office. WPS Office is a mobile productivity app that lets you view, edit, and create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on your phone or tablet. It is compatible with Microsoft Office formats and offers a range of features for both personal and professional use. The app also includes tools for file management, cloud storage integration, and easy document sharing. Features of WPS Office: document editing, cloud integration, file compatibility, PDF tools, document collaboration, presentation mode, file management, template library. Number 5. Photo to Text OCR. Photo to Text OCR is a mobile app that allows you to extract text from images using optical character recognition technology. Similarly, take a photo of any printed or handwritten text, and the app will convert it into editable text. It's useful for digitizing documents, notes, receipts, and more, making it easy to copy and share the extracted content. Features of Photo to Text OCR: simple interface, OCR text extraction, multiple language support, image to text conversion, text editing. Number 6. Online LightPDF. LightPDF is a versatile mobile app designed for managing PDF files on the go. It offers to view, edit, convert, and annotate PDFs with ease. Whether you need to merge, split, or compress PDFs, LightPDF simplifies document handling for both personal and professional tasks. It also supports cloud integration, allowing seamless across to your files anytime, anywhere. Features of LightPDF: PDF editing, PDF conversion, Annotation tools. Merge and split. Optical character recognition. Secure files. Number 7, OCR.Space. OCR.Space is a free online tool that uses optical character recognition to extract text from images or PDF files. It supports multiple languages and works directly from your web browser, requiring no downloads or installations. OCR.Space is ideal for converting scanned documents, screenshots, or photos into editable and searchable text. Features of OCR.Space. Free online OCR. Multi-language support. PDF to text. Image to text. Batch processing. Advanced OCR mode. Number 8, I2OCR. I2OCR is a free online optical character recognition tool that allows users to extract editable text from images or scanned documents. It supports a wide range of languages and works directly in your browser without requiring any downloads. I2OCR is useful for digitizing printed documents, converting screenshots, and making text searchable and editable. Features of I2OCR. Free online OCR. Multi-language support. Image to text. PDF OCR. No file limits. Editable outputs. Number 9, Screen OCR. Screen OCR is a powerful tool designed to extract text from anything displayed on your screen, including images, documents, websites, and videos. It uses optical character recognition technology to quickly capture and convert on-screen text into editable and searchable formats. This application is especially useful for digitizing content from non-editable sources. Features of Screen OCR. User-friendly interface. Text extraction from screen. OCR technology. Multi-language support. Cross-platform. Number 10, Adobe Acrobat DC. Adobe Acrobat DC is one of the best PDF solutions that allows users to create, edit, convert, and manage PDF files. It offers advanced tools for document collaboration, security, and accessibility, making it a go-to choice for professional businesses. With seamless integration across desktop, mobile, and web platforms. Features of Acrobat DC. Easy to use. Convert PDFs. Annotation tools. E-signature integration. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.